2026 Honda Odyssey. This minivan delivers safety and comfort to its passengers. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.